Hello and welcome to Making Joyful Noise, brought to you by beautiful St. Paul Lutheran Church in downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music Ministries and the organist at the church. On Sunday, February 6th, we are going to be singing You Have Come Down to the Lakeshore. This is a Spanish hymn that was written in, I believe it was written in 1979 by a priest who was ordained in 1959. And the reason I mention that is because if you remember, the Roman Catholic Church in around 1962, I believe it was the Second Vatican Council. And they changed the entire way that the Roman Catholic Church worships, including their music was changed. And some people think for the better, and some people think for the worse. Well, right now that decision still hasn't been made. But this priest became very involved in the music program, in the music ministries of the church. He composed quite a few hymns, actually, and his albums, his music can be heard on, I think, something like 37 albums. But this particular one, I want to make sure I get this right. The original title of that hymn is Fishers of Men. Okay? And it's based on, let me read you the scripture it's based on. As Jesus was walking beside the Sea of Galilee, he saw two brothers, Simon, called Peter, and his brother Andrew. They were casting a net into the lake, for they were fishermen. "Come follow me," Jesus said, "and I will send you out to be fishers of men." At once they left their nets and followed him. Now this hymn asks us to do the same thing, to drop what we are doing and follow him. I love the way the hymn is written. It almost, if you get into the mood of it, you feel like it's almost a rocking boat. Imagine a boat or a little boat tied up to the pier or the lakeside, and its waves kind of make it go up and down and up and down. That's the way this music is written. If you listen to the refrain, or when we sing the refrain, there is a section that gets really loud and really soft. It goes da 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 da. Does the same thing again. So when we sing it on Sunday, let's take that refrain and let's really make it sound like a billow, a wave. La da 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 da. I have a recording of it by a friend of mine who is very well known in music circles, and he has his choir doing it. If you listen to this, let's see if I can get this. It's coming up. Coming. Hurry up, it's coming. Right here. Right here. See you Sunday morning, 9:30, St. Paul Lutheran Church, Sarasota, Florida. Thank you for listening.